Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how to add your YouTube channel link to your TikTok profile. It's a great way to direct your TikTok followers to your YouTube content. So without wasting any further time, let's dive right in. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the Google Play Store or Apple App Store in your phone. And here you have to make sure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your phone. Okay, so now open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you are on your profile, tap on the edit profile option right here. Okay, so now here you will see an option of add YouTube. When you will tap on this option, it will take you to your Google Account Center and you can simply connect your YouTube channel from there. Okay, so as you can see that my YouTube channel name is visible here. Okay, so now go back to your profile to make sure the link is correctly added. And here you will see a YouTube icon here. Tap on it. And that's it. You have successfully added your YouTube channel link to your TikTok profile. Now, your TikTok followers can easily find and subscribe to your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.